Today I am making Ilish Macher Jhuri Bhuna. Hilsha fish. Clean and washed. Transfer to the pot. Add slices of lemon, garlic paste, a half tsp, ginger paste a half tsp, salt, turmeric powder, a half tsp, water, cover and boil 10 minutes. Stir. Done. Take out the fish. Separate the bone. Done. Mustard oil, a half cup. Onion. Minced garlic. Stir and fry few seconds. Salt. Red and green chili. Turmeric powder, 1 tsp. Chili powder. Cumin powder, 1 tsp. Sadi. Tomato, 1 cup. Stir. Cover. Add Hilsha fish. Stir and mix. Add little bit water. Cover until water dry. Add coriander leaves.
Mix. Almost done. Ready to serve. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more videos.